If you forget the passcode of your watch or unknowingly don't have any option to enter a passcode like that, then how you can remove the passcode on your watch. This video covers all about how you can easily remove the passcode on your locked Apple Watch. Let's begin. Please note that resetting your Apple Watch will erase all content and settings, so it's important to have a backup of any important data if needed. To reset your Apple Watch, you can follow these steps. Make sure that the battery level is over 60% or connected to the charger. On your Apple Watch, press and hold side button until the power off icon appears on the screen. Press and hold the digital crown for some time. Now you can see the reset option. Tap on it. Again tap on reset and wait for the process to complete. Here you can see erasing started. This may take some time, so be patient. Now your watch was fully reset and ready to pair. Finally, you have to enter your Apple ID password that was used during the previous setup. If that video is helpful, then don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. It's me Akash. Peace out.